What is that sound in the hallway? Is someone crying downstairs right now? Toby, I hear a baby crying. Stay close to me, Mia. Okay, Toby. It is coming from downstairs, I think. What is wrong, kids? Why are you awake? We hear a baby crying downstairs.
A baby? At this hour of the night?
Everyone stay together and move slowly.
I will check the door first.
The baby sounds like she is outside.
We hear it, honey. Let's see what it is. There is a basket on our porch.
A basket? Who would leave that here?
Stand back, please. I will open it.
Oh my goodness, there is a baby! It is really a tiny baby.
Who left her here in the rain?
She is cold. We need to help her. Let us bring her inside where it is warm.
We need to call the police now. Is she sick, Mom?
She feels cold, but she is breathing well.
There is something inside the basket.
It is a small folded note.
What does the note say, Dad? It says the baby needs our help. Please keep my baby safe.
Poor little one. She needs love.
Her mother must be very scared.
I am calling Officer Dan right now.
We need to keep her warm and safe.
Use my blanket for baby Lily.
That is very kind. Maybe someone is still nearby in the rain.
Officer Dan is coming to help us.
Can we call her Lily for now? Baby Lily.
That is a very sweet name.
You are so safe now, little one. She stopped crying in Mum's arms.
She is right here, wrapped warmly.
I appreciate you looking after her. She looks very safe now.
This note may help us find answers.
What should we do now, officer?
First, we take her to the hospital. We only want to make sure she is safe.
Then we will go now and help her.
This feels very serious tonight.
I will check the baby carefully. She is cold and hungry, but stable. She's stable now, Clara. A healthy little girl. Yes. You found her in time.
Thank goodness.
That is good news.
She is so small and quiet. I do not want her to be alone.
We will check nearby cameras and reports.
Is there anything else we can do to help?
Please find her family if you can.
But please be kind to the mother.
We will do our best with care.
Clara, what happened here last night? A baby. A baby was left at our door.
A baby? That is heartbreaking.
We think her mother was very scared.
I saw a young woman near here last night. She walked toward the old bus stop.
Officer Dan, we may have a lead.
What if she is cold too? That is why we are looking for her.
We need to find her, don't we?
Oh, I found something near the bench.
This tag may belong to the baby.
I think I saw it.
There is a women's shelter nearby.
We are looking for a young mother.
Is my baby safe? Yes. She is safe at the hospital. I did not know what else to do.
Tell us what happened, slowly.
I lost my job and my room. Don't worry, Rose. We will help you find a place. I thought she would be safer with a family. You were scared, but you wanted her safe. Yes, I just wanted to keep her safe. Can I see her now? My baby, my sweet little Lily. She's here, Rose. She's safe. We found her, Rose. Lily is safe. She is ready to see you now. I am so sorry, Lily. I love you. Thank you for helping my baby.
The shelter can help you and the baby.
We can stay together from now on? Yes. You will get support. You do not have to be alone anymore. We can help with baby supplies.
We're here for you.
Thank you both. I do not deserve this kindness. Everyone needs help sometimes.
We brought diapers and clothes for Lily.
Oh, thank you. You're all so kind. You gave us a new start. This neighborhood takes care of its people. A baby was left at our door, but love brought everyone home.